Grok 4.5 just got announced, and early evaluations are showing it performing close to, maybe even beating, Opus 4.8. Elon Musk dropped the announcement himself, and if even half of what's being claimed here is true, this could shake up which AI model you should actually be building with. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news, so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. So let's break down what's actually happening here. Grok 4.5 is built on a 1.5 trillion parameter V9 foundation model. That's a massive jump in scale. And here's something interesting. It's also been trained with data from Cursor, since Cursor was recently acquired by Grok's parent company, which adds a whole new layer of coding-focused training data into the mix. Right now, it's in private beta, and it's already being used internally at SpaceX and Tesla. That's usually a good sign that a public release isn't too far off. Early evaluations are putting its performance close to, and in some benchmarks possibly exceeding, Opus 4.8. Now, I'll be honest with you, I wasn't always impressed by Grok's previous releases, but the more recent versions have actually been solid, and if this update really is a step up, that's a big deal for one specific reason. Here's the part most people are missing. If you're building AI agents and automations using Opus, you're stuck paying for API access, and that gets expensive fast, especially if you're running agents at scale and making a lot of calls every single day. Grok, on the other hand, can be used through your existing Twitter subscription in some of these agent setups. So, if you're already paying for that subscription anyway, you're not paying anything extra to plug Grok into your workflows. Think about what that actually means for someone running multiple AI agents at once. With Opus, every single API call adds up, and if you've got agents running constantly in the background, that bill can climb fast without you even noticing until it hits your card. With Grok wired into a subscription you're already paying for, you sidestep that entirely. For anyone building with AI day to day, that's a real cost difference, not just a marketing point. Now, Elon himself actually came out and clarified expectations here, saying, quote, "I'm not saying the Grok V9 foundation model will be mind-blowingly better than anything, but it will be a solid workhorse in the same league as Opus." So already you can see there's a gap between the hype train and what's actually being promised. Some people online are calling this the Opus killer. I'd be careful with that framing. It's not confirmed to be dramatically better. It's being positioned as a strong, reliable model that's competitive with what's already out there. Polymarket, if you're curious, is currently giving it a 42% chance of releasing sometime in July. So when does this actually drop? If you look at the pattern from past Grok releases, there's usually a pretty tight window between the teaser and the public launch. Grok 4 was teased in late June last year and released about 2 weeks later in July. Grok 4.1 followed the same kind of pattern, teased in early November and released by mid-November. If Grok 4.5 follows that same rhythm, we could be looking at a release within the next couple of weeks from the initial announcement, and it doesn't stop there either. There are already rumors floating around about Grok 5 being targeted as a 10 trillion parameter model down the line, which is a genuinely massive jump if it turns out to be true. As always, with rumors like that, take it with a grain of salt and make your own judgment. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step, so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Here's something worth paying attention to. Right now, if you look at the 3 most talked about models on the planet, you genuinely can't use a single one of them yet. Grok 4.5 is locked in private beta. GPT 5.6 is gated with no confirmed public release date, and other frontier models have been pulled back entirely after being previewed. It's becoming a pattern where the most powerful models get announced, get hyped up, and then sit behind a wall for weeks or months before regular people can actually touch them. Part of the reason for that, from what's being speculated, is increasing regulatory pressure on these companies, which is slowing down how quickly they can release frontier level models to the public. So even the biggest labs in the world are somewhat bottlenecked right now, and that's pushing a lot of these models toward a similar performance ceiling rather than one model running away from the rest. And if that's actually the case, it kind of changes the whole conversation, doesn't it? Because if every lab is hitting the same kind of wall, then the gap between the biggest names in AI starts to shrink no matter who technically wins on a benchmark this week. You end up with a handful of models that are all roughly competing in the same league, just dressed up with different branding and different marketing pushes behind them. So, what's the actual takeaway from all of this? If you're someone who gets excited every time a new model drops, I get it, it is exciting. But here's the thing worth sitting with: every single one of these top tier models right now is either locked away, gated, or pulled back. Meanwhile, the models you can already access today are more than capable of handling the vast majority of what you'd actually use AI for in your day to day work or business. So instead of chasing whichever model has the most hype around it this week, it makes a lot more sense to focus on building workflows and systems around models you can already use right now. That way, when something like Grok 4.5 does eventually become publicly available, you can just plug it into what you've already built instead of waiting around with your whole workflow on pause until access opens up. So let's recap quickly. Grok 4.5 is built on a 1.5 trillion parameter V9 model, and it's currently in private beta at SpaceX and Tesla. Early evaluations show it performing close to and potentially exceeding Opus 4.8 in some areas. It can be used through an existing Twitter subscription in certain agent setups, which could make it significantly cheaper than paying for API access elsewhere. Elon has clarified expectations himself, calling it a solid workhorse rather than some revolutionary leap. Based on past release patterns, a public rollout could realistically land within the next couple of weeks. And right now, all three of the most talked about frontier models on the planet are inaccessible to the public in one way or another. The real story here isn't really about which model wins. It's about the fact that the most powerful AI in the world keeps getting locked behind private betas and gated rollouts, while the tools that are actually available to you today are already good, enough to build real results with if you know how to use them properly. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.